Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss some problem sum. So our first question, example number 19. In an experiment, a solution of hydrochloric acid is to be kept between 30 degree and 35 degree Celsius. What is the range of temperature in degree Fahrenheit if converse formula is given by C is equal to 5 by 9 F minus 32, where C and F represent temperature in degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit respectively. That means here what is the meaning of C? C, that means here temperature in degree Celsius, and F, that means degree Fahrenheit. Okay, temperature of degree Fahrenheit. Now our question is convert into the, here equation is present in Celsius form, convert into the Fahrenheit form. So here condition is given, hydrochloric acid is to be kept between 30 degree and 35 degree Celsius. So first of all here given, here we can written 30 less than C less than 35. Okay, now C in place of already formula is given, so here we can written where C is equal to 5 upon 9 into bracket F minus 32. So in this equation, C in place of substitute this value, so 30 less than C in place of written 5 upon 9 bracket F minus 32 less than 35. Now first of all remove 5 by 9. So in both the side multiply 9 by 5. So therefore here we can written 30 into 9 by 5 less than F minus 32 less than 35 multiply 9 by 5. Now after cancel out this term, so 6 5 are 30. So 9 into 6, that means 54 less than F minus 32 less than, again here cancel out this term, so 5 7 ja 9 7 ja 63. Now 32 written in both the side, that means here minus 32 is present, so written here plus 32. So therefore 54 plus 32 less than F less than 63 plus 32. Now add this number, so 54 plus 32, that means 86 less than F less than 95. So our Fahrenheit between 86 degree to 95 degree. So once again here degree is present 30 degree and 35 degree. So and in Celsius form is present. So here we can written 30 less than Celsius less than 35. Now here equation is given, convert of Fahrenheit. So here conversion formula is present, C is equal to 5 upon 9 in bracket F minus 32. So here we can written this formula. Now C in place of substitute this value. Now after 5 by 9 written multiply this side. So here we can written 9 by 5. Same way here we can written 9 by 5 and remove this term. Simplify this term, so here we get 54 less than F minus 32 less than 63. Now 32 add in both the side, return in both the side and remove in between, here minus 32 present, so return in both the sides, so plus 32. Now simplify this term, so we get answer. Clear? Next question, exercise 6, question number 11. Same method here apply, but here equation is present in Fahrenheit, it convert into the Celsius form. So our question is a solution need to be kept between 68 Fahrenheit and 77 degree Fahrenheit. What is the range in temperature in degrees Celsius in Celsius oblique Fahrenheit? Conversion formula is given by F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So first of all, here given 68 degree less than F less than 77 degree. Okay. Now here given this F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. So here we can return putting F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Now F in place of substitute this value. So therefore 68 degree less than 9 by 5 C plus 32 less than 77 degree. Now here first of all plus 32 is present, so remove this plus 32. In above question, in last question 9 by 5 present in bracket. So first of all multiply 5 by 9 or like this way. But here first we can remove this constant term. So therefore 68 degree minus 32 degree less than 9 by 5 C less than 77 degree minus 32 degree. 68 degree minus 32 degree, that means here we can return 36 degree less than 9 by 5 C less than 77 degree minus 32 degree, that means here we can return 45 degree. Now after remove this 9 by 5, so multiply 5 into 9 in both the side. So therefore 36 degree multiply 5 upon 9 less than C less than 45 degree into 5 by 9. Now 36 degree multiply 5 by 9 less than C less than 45 degree multiply 5 by 9. Now after cancel out this term, so here we get 4 degree and here cancel out this term, so here 5 degree. 4 degree into 5 degree, that means 20 degree less than C less than 5 5 is 25 degree. So here we get Celsius form between 20 degree to 25 degree. So once again here equation conversion equation is present in form of F form, that means Fahrenheit form. Now our question is converted into the Celsius form. So here condition is present 68 degree less than F less than 77 degree. Now Fahrenheit equation is present, so substitute here. Now after first of all remove this constant term, so 32 written in opposite side and minus sign here apply. So simplify this term. So here we get 36 degree less than 9 by 5 Celsius less than 45 degree. Now multiply 5 into 9 in both the side and simplify this term, so we get answer. Clear? Okay. Next question. Miscellaneous exercise question number 14. IQ of a person is given by formula IQ is equal to MA upon CA multiply 100. Where what is the meaning of M? So MA that means mental age and CA that means chronological age. Now here condition is given if 80 less than equal to IQ less than equal to 140. For a group of 12-year-old children, find the range of their mental age. That means our question is find out the mental age. So first of all, here one condition is given. So here we can return 80 less than equal to IQ less than equal to 140. Now IQ already formula is given, so here we can return putting IQ is equal to MA upon CA multiply 100. Now IQ in place of substitute this formula. So therefore 80 less than equal to MA upon CA multiply 100 less than equal to 14G. Now here for a group of 12-year-old children, that means chlorological age is here given, means here CA is equal to given 12. That means here CA in place of substitute this value. So therefore 80 less than equal to MA upon 12 multiply 100 less than equal to 140. Now after, how can we simplify this term? So 12 divided by 100 multiply in both sides. So 80 multiply 12 divided by 100 less than equal to, same term multiply in opposite side. So less than equal to MA less than equal to 140 multiply 12 upon 100. Right? Now after simplify this term, so here 12 into 80, that means 960 divided by 100 less than equal to MA less than equal to 140 multiply 12, that means 1680 divided by 100. Now divide by 100 this term. So here we get 9.6 less than equal to MA less than equal to 16.8. So here minimum, the minimum of MA is equal to 9.6 and maximum of MA is equal to 16.8. So here we can written minimum MA is 9.6 and maximum MA is 16.8. So once again, in our question IQ of a person is given by the formula. That means IQ is equal to, formula is given MA upon CA multiply 100. What is the meaning of MA? MA that means mental age and CA that means chlorological age. Now condition is given if 80 less than equal to IQ less than equal to 140 for a group of 12-year-old, that means chlorological age is given here, CA is equal to given 12 year, and our question is find out the range of their mental age. So first here condition is given here 80 less than equal to IQ less than equal to 140. Now putting IQ is equal to MA upon CA multiply 100. So in this equation IQ in place of substitute this value. So therefore 80 less than equal to MA upon CA multiply 100 less than equal to 140. But here chlorological age is given 12, that means CA is equal to given here 12. So therefore 80 less than equal to MA by 12 multiply 100 less than equal to 140. Now 12 multiply 12 and divide by 100 in both these sides. Now simplify this term. So here we get, calculate this term. So 9 by 6 less than equal to MA less than equal to 16 by 6. So the minimum value of MA is 9.6 and the maximum value of MA is 16.8.